What's going on?
This motherfucker calling motherfuckers out. We're about to get it.
Right,
no, man, if you would have done something the first time, bro.
Step back.
Do something with this mother. Don't push me. Do something with this motherfucker.
Back up, dude.
Why don't you go over there and ask her?
Back
She's
up.
seen everything.
I'm gonna tell you one more time. Back up.
Get your finger out my
Back
face.
up.
That shit. Yeah, step it up. He needs to go to jail. Man, stop pushing your
Then you're not gonna push me away one more time, dude.
You're pushing on me.
Because I'm trying to. She didn't want help the first time, so I couldn't do it.
This motherfucker came at me, bro. I told him to chill his shit out. Ripping the goddamn mailbox and shit off.
Okay, stop. Back up.
We tired of hearing you fucking bust up the neighborhood.
Dude, back up.
Man, stop pushing me.
Back up.
You want to fight me? Yeah, you're a fucking woman beater asshole.
I'm gonna tell you one more time to back up, dude.
Go
over there.
I'll stand in the fucking road.
Okay.
You beat her ass.
My man,
stop
on the sidewalk. I'm not gonna tell you.
You sure didn't make my girl lose her job.
Go over there.
Didn't you? This is AMHA. Do something. That's AMHA property. Brown nosy motherfucker. Brown nosy motherfucker.
He's about to be a 13. He's
about
to be a 13.
No. You be brown nosy. You be brown parties in that house. You just racial slurs. Stop. Brown nosy motherfucker.
Stop.
Man, dude, y'all didn't do something to his ass, bro.
Get on the sidewalk.
Man, I was working on my shit.
I don't care. Get on the
Came at
sidewalk.
me.
Okay.
Take it off of me. I didn't do nothing. What, bro? Man, I didn't do shit. I'm going back. Get the fuck off of me. Bro, what are you doing? Bro, what are you doing? What the fuck are you doing? Bro,
Wait, told him to stop. I know that. Honey, settle down.
God, Jesus. I can't breathe.
Okay, I got it.
Bro, what are you doing? I was walking back to my truck.
Stop resisting.
I can't breathe.
Stop resisting.
I can't breathe. I can't breathe. I can't breathe. I can't breathe. Oh, I can't breathe. I can't breathe. I can't breathe. Oh, oh, I can't breathe. I have seizures. I can't breathe.
Get back.
I can't breathe. I can't breathe. I can't breathe. I can't dude. I was going back to my truck. You told me to walk away.
Get on the sidewalk.
I was walking to my truck.
Right.
We asked him multiple times.
I was walking to the
You
truck.
already slapped my hand away once.
I was working on my stuff. No, you was
Listen to
pushing
me. We're gonna
All
get
right.
listen to me. We're gonna get you to your feet, okay? I'm gonna roll you.
I need some water.
We're gonna let go of
My
your leg. Hey,
girlfriend,
listen
give
to
me
me.
some water.
We're gonna let
I'm
go of
about
your.
to pass out.
Listen to me.
I'm listening, but can I get
We're
some
gonna let go
water?
of your feet.
I
We're gonna
can't
roll you to your
breathe.
left, okay?
Yeah, can I get some water? Can I get some water?
We're gonna sit you to your butt.
All right, I'll
Sit
sit.
up to your butt.
Bro, that dude, I was walking to my truck.
Catch your breath, okay? See what they need. We're good here.
I need some water.
We're gonna get you to your feet.
Can I get my Can I get
Stand
some
up.
of that drink?
Stay on the sidewalk. I'm not gonna tell you again.
I'm about to pass out. I have
Stand up.
seizures.
We're gonna get you a seat.
I need something to drink now.
I'm gonna stand you up.
I
We're gonna
need
get you
something to
a cruiser.
drink.
And I
I'm
can work
about
on
to
getting you
pass.
something to drink.
I'm about to pass.
Once you
I'm
get
about
to
to
the
pass
cruiser.
out. Please, can I have some water?
Okay.
Can I please get some water?
You got him.
Can I please get some water? Or my mocha.
I will see what I can do.
I was working on my truck and this dude come over at me. Everybody in the neighborhood seen it.
Okay.
I didn't do. We're tired of this dude. I live right over there.
What's your name, man?
My name's Victor Clark. Man,
Victor.
we
Hey,
look.
Victor.
Look.
Victor, stop talking for
All
2
right.
seconds, okay?
Man, you can ask everybody
Victor,
around here that was outside.
take some deep breaths from me. Now I want you to listen to me.
This dude does
I
this
want you
every
to listen
night.
to me.
I gotta listen to that while I sleep and everything.
Victor, I want you to stop talking and listen to me for a second.
Yes, sir.
We're gonna get you to your feet.
I did.
Hang on, listen,
I can't
listen.
go in no car. I'll pass out.
We have the AC on full blast.
I need something to drink
I
before I,
can't leave
get
you
in
in
the
the middle of the
car.
street here, Victor, okay?
All right. Can I
You-
sit on the curb and get something to drink, please?
I can't do that right now.
Are you serious?
Hey, I will see-
need
hey,
something to drink. I'm
I
asking
will see
you.
if I have an extra bottle of water.
I got my mocha
Okay.
right there.
We will
I
bring.
got-
There's steps we gotta do, okay?
Man, I ain't gonna go to jail, am I, for this shit? I didn't do
We gotta
nothing.
get this all sorted through, okay?
Bro, I didn't do nothing. I
Victor, right now, we wanna get you up on your
beating
feet.
on his woman and shit.
Bring your knees
I
up to
live
your-
right there.
Bring your knees to your chest.
Y'all gonna talk to all the witnesses? That lady
Stand
back
up.
there?
Stand up with them.
One, two, three.
Can I get that water?
Yeah, we're gonna get you into a cruise and we're gonna get you some water, okay, Victor?
Bro,
That sound good?
this is some bullshit. You can ask that lady there. You can ask this dude that lives here. We're tired of listening to this shit, bro. Dude came up on me. He came up on
Victor,
me.
Victor, I want to hear your story, but we're going to get you to this cruiser and we're going to
Man,
get
I
some
need
water.
a cigarette. I mean, not a cigarette, some water.
We will get you water as soon as we get you in the car.
Man, I need some water, though.
I'm going to bring it over to you
Man,
personally,
y'all
okay?
gonna really take me to jail?
All right, just have a seat, okay, Victor? Watch that.
Y'all gonna really take me to jail for this bullshit?
Victor,
This dude been getting away with shit. He shot me.
Victor, have a seat for me.
Man,
Swing your feet
man,
in.
I gotta get some
You
water.
got to swing your feet in.
Man, y'all taking me to jail for nothing.
Swing your feet in, Victor.
Yo, cop, push me, everything.
If you don't swing your feet in,
I
what's going
am
to
gonna
happen?
swing my feet in,
So
but I'm
swing 'em
trying
in.
to talk to you.
Swing your feet in.
I
We can
didn't-
talk.
Man, you gonna close me in there and not even talk
I'm
to
going
me?
to give you water as soon as you swing your feet in.
Man, that's some bullshit. I'm gonna go to jail for this shit. Like, I didn't even do nothing, man. Yo, cop pushed me. I asked him to stop
You want some
pushing
water,
me.
Victor?
Yes, sir.
All right, tilt your head back and pour it in your mouth, okay? You ready?
Man, you was here before that cop, man. He was already here and that dude get away with it. He over there beating on that woman, beating up the
We'll
house.
talk about all that in a minute.
And then he
okay?
comes at me. I seen him minding my own business,
Victor.
working on my truck.
Let's focus on one thing at a time.
I
Okay?
understand that, but I'm trying to explain to you.
We'll get to that. All right.
My
Well,
face
wanna
is
get you
bleeding. I feel it takes blood or something.
I have an ambulance coming to take a look at you. Okay.
I didn't do nothing. That cop kept pushing me. I asked him to stop pushing me. And then I didn't put my hands on the cop one time. He kept running up on me, pushing me. I told him, you need to do something about dude. He does this every night.
Look, my supervisor's gonna speak with you.
Who's your
Okay.
supervisor?
They're on their way here. Okay.
Man, I don't want to go to jail for some bullshit.
Victor, as far as the use of force goes, we're not gonna have a discussion about that. Okay? Because I was involved in it. My supervisor's
What do you
gonna
mean the use of force?
when you were taken to the ground and handcuffed. Okay.
Man, he
With
pushed
that incident, we're not gonna discuss. My supervisor will speak with you about that. Okay.
Man, that was wrong. I was wrongfully thrown on the
You want some more
ground, though,
water?
for no
Do
reason.
you need some more water, or are you good right now?
He told me to.
Victor, answer
yeah,
my-
I need some water.
Okay. The keys from your pocket are gonna go up in my dash. They will get returned to you wherever you're going. Okay. I can't let you have them in your pocket right now. Is all.
What started all of this?
This dude over here has been beating on this woman all fucking day.
The girl standing there?
Yeah, I called the cops earlier, and the guy just fucking laughed it off and left. So then I called back, and by the time I was on the phone with 911, my boyfriend was over here telling him to stop.
This is your boyfriend?
Yeah.
Okay.
He was telling him to stop and be nice to his woman, and dude's over here calling everybody and everything. He was beating on her earlier. He saw him smacking the face off the dashboard of that car, and then he was ripping the mailbox off the inside of the house. So I called you guys back because I don't know what to do. Like, obviously she doesn't care, but he needs to stop.
Yeah.
So what happened the second time?
So when he came, the white dude over here like, oh, you bunch of brown noser, you fucking weird bitches and all this weird ass dumb ass shit. I was like, you better watch your mouth with all that weird shit. He had came because he was like, he had started calling her all types of like, I don't know, this is a whole bunch of derogatory ass shit and shit. So he like, I don't know, I'm gonna call the police. He like, call the police.
Yeah,
But
please.
he didn't even touch him. He really didn't touch him. But he kept telling him, but the one in the blue shirt kept provoking. Like, he just do too much. He need to go to jail.
Well, that whole thing, I can't figure out what's going on for me to party when he's all up in my face yelling.
And I get that.
You know what I'm saying?
But he didn't hit him.
Yeah,
at all.
he's not in trouble for this incident. He's in trouble for not letting me talk to people, yelling over top me, advancing him, smacking my arm.
I can't even touch him.
So nothing physical between those two, just
Yeah.
back and forth derogatory terms.
Yeah, like he didn't never touch it.
Okay.
Like at all.
I want a sergeant.
Oh, they're coming.
Because you took me to the ground for no reason. That man assaulted me.
Hey, talk to EMS and then we'll talk.
Man, that dude assaulted me, you let him just leave. He pushed the out of me and made me fall on the road before y'all got here. I was going through my truck and then you grabbed me.
on camera, buddy.
Yeah, but he pushed me on the ground. So it's alright for him to assault me?
Victor, we're trying to check you out, okay?
You profile me, bro. You don't like me, period. You made my girl lose her job from MHA.
Stop.
You fucking kissed
Stop.
my sister's ass.
Stop.
My niece.
Stop.
My niece, yeah, you my niece, bro. You favoritism my fucking family. You made my girl lose her job.
Do you not understand?
He
stop?
profiled
Do
me.
you not understand?
He
stop?
profiled me. Do you not understand that?
Okay.
I want a sergeant.
They're coming like we said already.
Because he profiled me.
They're coming like we said already.
Man, I'm fucking suing the fuck out of you too, bro. You just beat my ass for no reason.
Jackson 1522.
You profile me just because you don't like me. You profile me, bro. You ain't got nothing to say about that?
Jesus, he had a traumatic brain injury. He died when he was 17. Somebody fucking jumped him.
Okay. He's the best place that he could be is with AFT. Okay.
He gets stressed out and he does that.
Okay. His eyes usually stay open and
Yes.
kind of shake, rolling.
Yes. It takes a while for
lot
him
of
to come
times when
back.
someone thinks they're going to jail, we get this reaction. I'm not saying he's faking it.
Oh no, he's not.
It's a common reaction we get. So, like I said,
Yeah.
he's going to go to the hospital. The best place he can be right now is in the care of the ambulance is already here, right? So he's going to go to the hospital. He's in good care.
My hands. Huh? My hands. It was crushing my hands.
What you?
Ow!
They're
crushing my hands.
Sit up so we can get up. Fucking hell, baby. Take you down to the hospital, okay?
Somebody just called me a faker, one of them. I can still fucking hear when I have my seizures, motherfucker. No, this motherfucker said I was faking.
Calm down, please. You're gonna have another.
I'm suing the out of APD, bro.
We told them you have a traumatic brain injury. Stop. Calm
I
down.
didn't even do shit.
That's why Mike's up here to calm you down.
Take it down to the hospital, okay?
Calm
Man, they're
down.
still gonna take me to jail for nothing. That dude assaulted me. I was standing my own ground.
You watched everything?
Oh yeah. They had him on the ground. He couldn't breathe. He was screaming, yelling. He has seizures. He has a traumatic brain injury.
Okay.
He doesn't act right. So that's why they did it.
Got some issues with him. How they encountered each other and everything else.
So Vic was over here in this driveway, like at the very end of it, with this other dude that was beating the hell out of his girlfriend, which is the reason why you guys were called anyway.
Yes.
But, and then the officer got here and tried to get Vic to settle down, and Vic swatted his hand away. They took him to the ground, and there was like 6 of them on him.
Do you know how they took him to the ground? Like, could you describe it?
Like, they shoved him to the ground, his face in the
Out here in the
pavement, out in the middle of the road.